go. Raindrops on the window, I'm dreaming, but it doesn't make sense at all.
I couldn't see with how close I was. It's not hard to find if your grip is loose enough. How lucky to be by your side, to feel your stare. Sick as a dog, I run my hands through your hair. Oh, my heart will change. I wait for nothing. The intense rearrange, making space where there was none before.
Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Maddie. I make a lot of college content, productive vlogs, lifestyle videos, all that good stuff. So if you like that kind of content, make sure you go subscribe down below. So we've already had a super productive Monday, as you guys saw in the little morning montage. I love that for me. And I just put on some makeup, I got dressed. But huge shout out and thank you to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. I haven't put on my perfume yet, so we're gonna do that right now, and I'm gonna tell you guys all about Dossier. You guys know I love them. I work with them on so many different videos. Okay, here's the perfume I'm gonna use today. It's from Dossier, of course. Dossier is an online perfume brand that creates high quality perfumes inspired by luxury classics. They have scents inspired by Chanel, YSL, Versace, and so many more, but they don't have any luxury markups. Their perfumes start at $29. They are also vegan, cruelty-free, and include only 100% clean ingredients. They have the best return policy. They know that you're buying perfume off of a website, so you can't smell it before you actually get it. So if you return it within 30 days, you get a full refund. But they do have a perfume quiz on their website that you can take to find your perfect perfume. But let me show you guys their insanely cute packaging. So this is what the perfume comes in. Comes with a little perfume card that describes the perfume and the notes and everything. So yeah, this one is Floriental Coconut, and I thought this one would be really summery for today. I am in a very summery mood. So this one is inspired by Tom Ford's Soleil Blanc. I think it's how you pronounce it. I don't know, I probably butchered that. But I am so excited to use this perfume. So yeah, we're gonna spritz some on. Guys, it smells so good. Okay, here's the info for this perfume if you guys wanted to see the notes and everything. And I also have a coupon code for you guys. So if you use this code right here, you can get some money off of your order. So definitely go take advantage of that. Check out their perfumes. But yeah, huge shout out and thank you to Dossier for sponsoring this video. And I really hope you guys go and check them out. They are an absolutely amazing company and I literally love them. Also, just to show you guys how much I literally love Dossier, this perfume is almost gone. I use this one almost every single day. This one is my all-time favorite, Gourmand Orange Blossom. So yeah, that just goes to show how much I actually use their perfume. Okay, so here's the outfit for today. Super simple, nothing special. I just wanted to like not wear a sweatshirt today and like look somewhat nice. My top is from Princess Polly. My jeans are from Hollister. Gotta put on the iconic Amazon slippers, of course. They're linked on my Amazon storefront if you guys want to go check them out. And then as for jewelry, I have these big rose gold hoops on. Those are also from Amazon and on my Amazon storefront. This necklace is from Ana Luisa. This ring is also from Ana Luisa. And this ring is from Pandora, but it was a gift for my boyfriend. So yeah, that's the outfit for today. It is 10 o'clock and we haven't even made a to-do list yet, so we need to do that. We have a super busy day today, which we kind of love those over here. I love staying busy and not like laying around in bed all day. So it's gonna be a good day. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night or morning or whenever you're watching this. It's okay to not be productive if you don't want to be productive, but if you do want to be productive, I hope this kind of motivates you to, you know, get that productive energy. But if not, that's okay too.
Running on time, darling, aren't we all? I think you could show me something that I won't need.
Okay, here's my to-do list for now at least. I'll probably add a few more things to it later today. So yeah, I have a meeting at 11 with a brand, and that's just on Google Meet, so it's just online. And then I do have homework that's due tonight. My video is going up at 12. I already have that scheduled. I need to make and post some content for a different brand, and I also wanted to make a reel for it because I haven't posted one in a really long time, so I thought that could be fun. And then I need to respond to comments and emails. So yeah, that's the plan for right now. It's 10:17. I need to prep for this meeting. Already adding more stuff to the list.
So twist my words until you can find a way to make them work.
I haven't had coffee yet today, which is really weird. Normally I have it like when I eat my breakfast, like my bagel or whatever, but I just didn't feel like it this morning. But I am literally starving, so hungry. So I think I'm gonna go make some pasta salad. That sounds amazing right now. And then after my lunch, I'll probably make some coffee. So, you know, this is an aesthetic vlog. We need the coffee montage.
Your windshield drawings start to fade. Oh, my heart will change.
Okay, I have my beautiful pasta salad right here. It literally looks like so much, but this is a really small bowl, so don't judge me. So it's 12:04 now, so that means my video just went up, so I'm gonna go check on that and respond to some comments. I changed up the thumbnail style for this one, so hopefully you guys like it. Okay, here it is. I used to do the handwritten words, but I switched it to like an actual font, but I kept the same colors, so I'm a little iffy about it. I think it just looks a lot neater and like easier to read. So yeah, that's the update for right now. I'm definitely gonna need some coffee after I eat my food. Okay, so I'm starting to crash just a little bit, so I think that means it's time to go make some coffee. Even though I really don't feel like drinking coffee, but you know, I need the caffeine today, so.
I wait for nothing. Making space where there was none before.
Okay, we have a little bit of a change of scenery. I'm out in the living room now. Sorry about the air conditioning, it's really loud. I have been sitting at my desk for like ever now, so I decided to come out to the kitchen and do some homework. So I have some readings to do, a discussion board, I need to take some notes, all that good stuff. So we're gonna hang out here and get our stuff done.
Once a year, the rain obscures the sight. I kiss the water from your mouth, toiling with the thought of perfect, and how nothing ever stays the same. My heart will change.
Okay, we're back back in my room because the Wi-Fi wasn't working out there for some reason. So I'm hoping the Wi-Fi will work in here. I don't know why it would be different in my living room versus my room, but it's just not connecting to the Wi-Fi. So that's unfortunate because I still have to finish my homework. Does this mean I should take a break from homework? See, it's just like not loading Blackboard. But the weird thing is that it will load YouTube but not Blackboard. I think it loads just like everything else. Maybe it's a problem with Blackboard, I don't know. It's really weird though. I guess I'll just go take a break.
I wait for nothing. The intense rearrange, making space where there was none before.
Guys, Blackboard is still not working. It's 3:20, so there's still like some time, but it just won't load for some reason, and I don't know why. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. But in the meantime, I am gonna look through the pictures from my smoothie bowl photo shoot. There's a lot of them. I feel like it's kind of like Pinteresty aesthetic, you know? I haven't added the preset to it yet, but once I do that, I feel like it will be very aesthetic. I also attempted to film a reel. I stood there for like 20 minutes trying to decide on like a Instagram filter to use, and I couldn't find one that looked good because the lighting in the kitchen is just so bad. So I ended up just filming it on like my normal camera, and I'm gonna try to adjust the lighting and everything with the tools that they have like on the camera app. We're gonna work on that for now. In the meantime, I don't know, hopefully the Wi-Fi will get back to normal and start working again, but I feel like it probably won't. I'm just gonna accept the fact that things are just not working out for me today. I'm currently restarting my laptop to see if that will fix something, because I don't think it's the Wi-Fi. I don't know, I think it might be the Wi-Fi, but it also might be my laptop for some reason. The fan keeps turning on, but I haven't been using it, so I don't know what that's about. Okay, this is not good. This isn't good at all. Okay, we're in the car now. I'm gonna go to campus, steal some Wi-Fi. It's really nice outside. It's 79 degrees outside, so it'll be nice to sit outside and get my assignment done. It's 4:30 right now. Yeah, that's pretty much the update. I hope it doesn't take too long.
I can't figure out how it all comes down, how it all comes down. And when we all found out, we ran to your house, we ran to your house.
Guys, I'm dying. It is literally so hot outside. I don't know why I parked where I parked. I should have parked closer to where I actually sat, but I got all my work done. But the original spot that I was gonna sit in is like under construction, so they had it blocked off. And then I ended up going to like the marketplace by like Starbucks and stuff, but Starbucks wasn't open, so I didn't get any, or else I literally would have. But I sat at a table. It was really nice. There was a lot of pollen, like of all things, so I don't know, I'm just kind of like gross a little bit, but it's all good. I'm just sweating now because I walked like literally in 77-degree heat, and I did not dress appropriately for this. But I'm just glad that that assignment is done. It was kind of like freaking me out when I opened it up because I had no idea what it was, and we had to like make a little mini like PR plan campaign thing for a fake coffee shop. So the topic was fun, but I literally had no clue what it was, and it's 100 points. So wish me luck. I turned it in. Hopefully it's good enough. My Wi-Fi still won't work. How am I supposed to get stuff done if nothing is gonna work? Okay, so it got like really hot in my room, so I ended up just throwing on an oversized t-shirt. It's already like 7:30, so it's basically the end of the day. We definitely don't need to be wearing jeans anymore, so I just threw on this oversized shirt from PacSun. I am obsessed with the design on it. It's so cute, and the colors, just everything about it is perfect. And I'm just wearing some shorts from Under Armour and still, of course, the slippers. Okay guys, it's 8:25 right now, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I literally can't do anything else because my Wi-Fi still is not working. It's still working for YouTube, but that's literally the only thing it's working for. Don't know what that's about, but I literally just can't do anything else. And since I got up like super early today, I feel like I filmed a lot. So yeah, I think that might be it. I mean, we can chat for a few minutes if you guys want. I'm in a talkative mood right now, so I don't know what to talk to you guys about. Guys, I am moving so soon. I think it's like 25 days from now, and I'm just so excited. Like, I'm gonna miss living here so much, but I am so excited to have my own place. Never had that before, so it's gonna be really fun. And I just feel like my content's gonna be so much better because, like I've said before, I always try to be like really respectful of my roommates and not film like in the living room and the kitchen a lot because they don't always want to be filmed, which is totally okay. But when I have my own apartment, it's gonna be just a lot easier to film anytime, anywhere, and I'll be living in the city, so I will have more to do, and I am just so excited. I have been looking for furniture and I'm so indecisive. I literally can't figure out what I want to buy. I'm like this close to buying a pink couch, but let me know in the comments down below what kind of moving content you guys want to see. I will definitely be doing some apartment hauls. I'm going to do an empty apartment tour. I'll obviously be doing moving videos, like moving vlogs, and then I'll do like packing vlogs and that sort of stuff. But if you guys have anything like super specific that you guys want to see from me, like moving wise, or I guess like not moving wise too, I'll take any video requests you guys have. Just leave those requests in the comments down below and let me know. I want to make videos obviously that you guys want to watch, so yeah, just let me know. But I am so excited, and I'm also excited to like bring you guys along fully on this like moving adventure. I feel like my moving videos in the past have like slacked a little bit just because I have roommates and I have more of like a set schedule of when I have to move and everything like that. But since my lease here isn't up until a month later, like I feel like it'll be a lot easier to take things slow and just kind of like progressively move into my new apartment, so it's not like so rushed and everything like that. So yeah, I'm really excited. I hope you guys are excited too. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Dossier. I will have all of their links down below for you guys. Huge shout out and thank you to them for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you guys have an amazing day or night or morning or whatever you're watching this. So yeah, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.